In 2003, LeBron James entered the NBA as a teenager with a $90 million Nike deal and sky-high expectations. 2 decades later, he's not just one of the greatest athletes of all time, he's a billionaire. But how did LeBron James build a fortune that now stretches far beyond the basketball court? Welcome to Famous Wealth Insider. In this video, we're breaking down the business empire of LeBron James, from his foundation-setting Nike deal to his latest ventures in sports ownership. The foundation, the Nike gamble. Before LeBron James ever played a professional game, he had already started thinking like a CEO. In 2003, at just 18 years old, he turned down a $115 million offer from Reebok and a lesser offer from Adidas. Instead, he chose to sign with Nike, a 7-year deal worth approximately $90 million, but with a game-changing foundation. It established him as Nike's premier basketball star for the next generation. That initial partnership led to a lifetime contract in December 2015, estimated to be worth over $1 billion throughout LeBron's lifetime. It was the first lifetime deal Nike had ever offered to a basketball player. This long-term thinking would become LeBron's signature approach to business and is responsible for his financial success off the court. Beats by Dre, the early win, 2008. Building on that strategy, in 2008, LeBron made one of his most lucrative early investments, Beats by Dre. He became an early investor and brand ambassador when the company was still building its reputation in the premium headphone market. LeBron didn't just invest money, he became the face of the brand, wearing Beats headphones before games and in commercials. When Apple acquired Beats for $3 billion in 2014, LeBron's stake reportedly netted him around $30+ million, proving his eye for disruptive consumer brands and setting the stage for even bigger moves. Blaze Pizza. 2012. By 2012, LeBron was ready to take his biggest business risk yet. Instead of signing another big endorsement deal, he invested around $1 million into a then-unknown company, Blaze Pizza. He didn't just write a check, he bought into the company, opened 19 franchises, and even wore Blaze merch before games, essentially becoming their walking billboard. Within 6 years, Blaze exploded to over 300 locations across 41 states. LeBron's combined franchise ownership and equity stake is now worth an estimated $40 million, turning that early bet into a 40x return. SpringHill Company, building a media empire, 2020. In 2007, LeBron James, along with his friend Maverick Carter, founded SpringHill Entertainment, an entertainment development and production company. What started as a single documentary project has evolved into a massive financial success story. By 2020, James and Carter officially consolidated their various ventures into the SpringHill Company, and in October 2021, they sold a significant minority stake at a $725 million valuation to investors including Red Bird Capital, Nike, and Fenway Sports Group. The company has raised a total of $140 million in funding. Their productions have achieved significant commercial success, including Space Jam: A New Legacy, which grossed $163.7 million worldwide. SpringHill Company is worth about $750 million today. Fenway Sports Group, joining the ownership class, 2021. LeBron James first got involved with Fenway Sports Group in 2011, receiving a 2% stake in Liverpool FC through a marketing partnership. That original investment, worth about $6.2 million, grew to $52 million by 2021 as Liverpool's value soared. But LeBron's real genius move came in March 2021, when he and Maverick Carter converted their Liverpool-only stake into roughly 1% ownership of FSG's entire sports empire. transforming their single-team investment into ownership across the Boston Red Sox, Liverpool FC, and Pittsburgh Penguins. With Fenway Sports Group now valued at nearly $13 billion, James's stake is worth over $100 million, showing how he leveraged one successful investment into ownership of an entire sports conglomerate. Real estate, building personal wealth. LeBron James has quietly assembled one of the most valuable celebrity real estate portfolios in the U.S. His crown jewel is a $36.75 million mansion in Beverly Hills, previously owned by Hollywood royalty, including Katharine Hepburn and producer Lee Phillip Bell. He also owns a $23 million custom-built estate in Brentwood, complete with a wine cellar and indoor and outdoor gyms, and a massive showroom garage. Back in Ohio, where it all began, LeBron has a 30,000-square-foot mansion in Akron that he built for $9 million, featuring 19 rooms, a bowling alley, and a theater. Altogether, LeBron's personal real estate holdings are estimated to be worth $75 to $100 million, reflecting both his lifestyle and long-term wealth strategy. Ladder, the supplement play. One of LeBron's lesser-known but strategic ventures is Ladder, a sports nutrition company. He co-founded with his longtime trainer Mike Mancias and fitness legend Arnold Schwarzenegger. Ladder was created out of necessity after LeBron suffered severe cramping during the 2014 NBA Finals. He wanted cleaner, more effective supplements. Today, Ladder produces products designed to boost training performance without compromising health. With a lineup of protein powders, pre-workouts, and hydration mixes, Ladder reflects LeBron's commitment to longevity, elite recovery, and owning every aspect of his performance. Lobos 1707 Tequila. In 2020, LeBron James made a strategic early investment in Lobos 1707, premium tequila and mezcal brand, joining fellow high-profile backers like Draymond Green, Anthony Davis, Rich Paul, and Maverick Carter. Though the exact size of James's investment hasn't been disclosed, his influence has been key in elevating the brand's visibility and success. By 2023, Lobos 1707 was valued at around $99 million. The strategy behind the success. What ties all these investments together? LeBron doesn't just cash checks, he builds equity. He's consistently chosen ownership over endorsements, and that's made all the difference. He surrounds himself with a tight inner circle and invests in long-term bets with cultural impact. His goal isn't just to get rich, it's to stay rich and to create opportunities for others in the process. The billion-dollar result. In 2022, Forbes officially named LeBron James the first active NBA billionaire. They estimate his fortune at over $1 billion, including $400 million from SpringHill Company equity, $200 million plus from Nike lifetime deal, $150 million in career NBA earnings, $80 million from Blaze Pizza stakes, $70 million in real estate holdings, and $130 million plus from other investments and endorsements. He joins Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods, and Magic Johnson as one of the few billionaire athletes in history. So, what do you think? Which of LeBron's investments was the smartest move? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more breakdowns on how the world's biggest celebrities build their empires. This is Famous Wealth Insider. See you in the next video.